Hey loves, hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss Benyiwaa. I'm a Ghanaian based YouTuber and a makeup artist as well. I am going to leave all my social media handles on the screen, so please do want to follow me on both my personal page and then my business page as well. If this is your first time chancing on this channel, chancing on this pretty face, hi darling, you are welcome. Please do not leave without subscribing. I don't know how to emphasize this enough, but please subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hi darling, what's good? What's going on? What's up? Hey, guess what guys? I got my first PR package. I am so excited. You can tell from the smile, you can tell from the face. I am very much excited. I got this from Miss Loretta Cosmetics. Miss Loretta Cosmetics is a makeup brand in Ghana. They sell makeup products from foundation, pencils, beauty blenders, a lot. I'm going to leave their Instagram page on the screen. Please do want to follow them on their Instagram page and also purchase from them, like purchase from your own. Even if you're not a Ghanaian, even if you're not from Ghana, just purchase. I believe they're going to deliver wherever you are. So this video is purposely to unbox this package and let you guys know what I got from them. So this card came with the package. It says thank you for shopping with us, and then it has their WhatsApp number down here. It has their TikTok handle and also their Instagram handle. Their TikTok handle is at Miss Loretta Cosmetics, and then their Instagram handle is also Miss Loretta Cosmetics. This is how it looks like. It also has some wonderful message behind. It says, welcome to the ML family. You are contributing to the growth of a black female-owned business which supports many other women. We hope you love your package. I love it. Miss Loretta Cosmetics. I am so excited. Like, I don't know how to express my feelings. But anyway, I am excited. Let's start unboxing. This is how it came. I think this is beautiful. What do you guys also think? I didn't get everything from their collection. I actually got few products, but I am going to use the products for you guys to know how it is. We are going to do a review video for these products as well. So this is how it came. This is the first thing I got. I think I got two of these contour palettes. So it says Miss Loretta Corrective Concealer. So I got two of these. Thank you so much, Miss Loretta. I got their brow pencil. It says Miss Loretta Cosmetics Beauty Brow Expert. So this is it. This is how it looks like. It has this sharpener and a cover as well, and it has a spoolie at the back. This is 7-2 purpose, so even if you don't have a spoolie, you are good to go. You can use the same thing. If you get this, you are getting a pencil and you're getting a spoolie as well. I think this is amazing. And I got this is an eyeliner and also a lip liner. One thing I always tell my clients or my students when I'm teaching how to do makeup is you can always use one product for different purposes. It doesn't mean it's called an eyebrow pencil, so you're going to use it just for your brows. But if it's pigmented enough for you to use for your lips and other parts of your face, I think it is good to go than breaking the bank to get like everything, literally everything. Most makeup artists actually make use of what they have to get what they want. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Yeah, this is how it comes. So you can just turn the bottom part and then it's going to give you this. You guys see it? Yes. So that is how it is. Okay, so I got two of the lip liners, the lip liner eyeliner. Thank you so much, Miss Loretta. Then I got these as well. These are also eyeliners. They are colored eyeliners. So I got it in is this mauve or purple? I got this in mauve, and then this blue one, and then this black one. I'm going to show you guys how they all look. So they are all the same. This is how it is. I am going to use these products for you guys to see how. So yes, I got 3 liners in addition to the 2 brown ones. Then got this as well from them. It says highlighter and contour, but I don't think this is my shade of contour. Yes, this is not my shade of contour. This is too light to be my shade. This is too light to be my shade of contour, but it can serve other purposes. I think you can even use it as a concealer or something. And then it has this white. Okay, you can just turn it around and then it will come up. Then you can turn it back in to go back in. So this white side can also serve as an eyeshadow base. Yep. Then I got the eyeliner gel as well. I think I got two of that. It says Miss Loretta long wear eyeliner gel in coffee. So this is in coffee and then this is in black. I'm going to open for you to see. I think just as I said, you can whatever you have for different purposes. So this is how the coffee looks like. Oh my god, it is so creamy. I'm going to swatch a little at the back of my hand. Do you guys see that? Yeah. I'm going to show you guys how the black also looks as well. This is how this one also looks. And then yeah, so I think that is all. And they gave me these brushes. I think it's for the eyeliner, to apply the eyeliner. I am so excited. I think it is high time that we start patronizing our own Ghanaian brands, start using our very own, to promote them and then encourage them as well. I'm going to try and use this product in my next video for you guys to know how it is, how it feels like, how it looks. I'm going to explain everything in my next video, in another video for you guys to see. So this is all I got from Miss Loretta and I am so grateful. I want to say thank you very much, Miss Loretta Cosmetics, for recognizing my brand and sending me stuff to use. I really appreciate it. So these are the products that I got. My hands are full, so I can't pick up some of them. I don't want this video to be too long because it is just an unboxing video. I want to say a very big thank you and a very big shout out to Miss Loretta Cosmetics for sponsoring this video, for sending me this package. I am so grateful. So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the video. Leave anything you want to say in the comment section down below. I'm going to leave their link to their Instagram in my description box below, so please do well to follow them as well. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.